Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? It's a boy Jay, as you can see. Yeah, man. So right now I'm running with a brand new YouTube channel called Maggie Films, and I'm about to premiere a brand new movie called Rough When I Can't Read. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, man. So I just want to thank you all for your loyal support in advance. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere, to tune in and subscribe.
You sleep free.
Say how you lie, but more see how you drive.
Like so fresh. Are you there hold it up so you can see straight through it? Good. Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
See it there?
You eat for free. You all defecate for free.
The other day I come out here, so, and the police stop me. I'm there so the whole time, and then take my papers, and then take my license, and I now make them do it again.
Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how to talk to you already, man.
So lady, I stop. And now move till it green.
What is on?
Am I see this, sir?
Spell Micey.
Hey, Siri. Spell Anthony Williams.
We put down a little sitting to write if you give man one simple little test. And look there. He blank. Not even a A.
This is a serious issue, you know. That's alright. Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they funny.
Upon checking, realize that around 5 to 6 months now, you have not made a payment, so I'm here to retrieve the funds.
Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read.
Yo, grab him. Yo, what is this? No, man, yo, around, man. Yo, what on, man? You open that bush, yo. Go, around, man. Open that bush, come here. Go on. Go. Around, man, yo.
Girls, can I have the pin, please? Thank you.
I give her.
Thank you. I need another one.
I give her. I give her mommy. Mommy, somebody's here.
Evening.
Hi, good evening, Mrs. Campbell. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm fabulous.
Can tell.
What brings you across here today?
Well, just as a neighbor living next door, sometimes you notice a lot of things. So just come to say hello and, greet you.
Okay. I'll just sit down.
You want to sit down? Okay, you guys can go upstairs and sit. I'm coming up there, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let me guide you up. Come. So, Kelly, you guys go sit in the living room. I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
You can continue watching the TV. I'm coming.
Okay.
It's my goddaughter. She can be a bit fussy sometimes,
That's fine. So, plan to tell him.
What are you talking about, Mrs. Campbell?
Suddenly I have amnesia, Shana. Suddenly. Plan to tell him.
Tell who? Tell who?
You
What?
well I know who me I talk about, You know. You well I know. As I said, from my bedroom window over there, I have a very clear view upstairs.
Mrs. Campbell, you know that you're a very nosy neighbor.
Some would say it's observant.
Why are you like this?
Like what?
You hear the saying that says he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life? Why do you have to be like this? Is that why you come by? Mrs. Campbell, why do you want to cause a havoc in my life? Tell me.
Me cause havoc in your life. You do all your actions all on your own, missus.
What do you mean?
You feel say you would a fool run for him, brother, and nobody else no notice but you.
Oh, so all you know is him, brother, and me never know that.
You no worry yourself. People have eye everywhere. Stay there.
So, Mrs. Campbell, what you want to do? You want to go and tell him?
Me? Tell him.
You think he's going to believe you over me, his lovely wife?
First of all, I have no intentions of telling anybody anything.
Oh.
But the only way you ensure say me not tell anybody anything.
So, Mrs. Campbell, why you couldn't just see and don't say nothing? Why you have to come to me with this? Huh? What you want to do, blackmail me?
If you want to worry about that, all you do is just cooperate.
What you mean?
Just cooperate. What me mean?
Campbell, remember that?
We find out, man.
Remember that we are both females,
Yes, but silence no come cheap.
And everybody make mistakes.
Mistakes?
What you think?
Mistakes, them continuous though.
You can't say that, Mrs. Campbell.
You think a 1 or 2 time me notice? So you feel like you and your little Romeo just like a roam the streets and nobody no notice and nobody no say nothing? You think that's how things work?
Mrs. Campbell, remember that we are both females,
No, my dear.
Tell Omar that.
I know so that work. Me no remember that at all, but you know what I remember is seeing the young man jump from your 2nd floor up there. That's what I remember. So here what you can do for me is to ensure say the silence remain. And it might come at a very hefty price.
What you mean?
What me mean?
How much you talking about?
We have. We see what we can work with.
Mrs. Campbell.
You continue, Mrs. Campbell, because the only thing me remember is the information what me need for share. So unless you want Omar to know, you need to start talk money.
You don't have to be like this, Mrs. Campbell.
I wonder
Remember
why.
that one time you were younger? Remember when you were younger and you used to hide from class? Me never used to tell your mommy.
Shana, this is a different time and different age. You feel to say you're a policeman. Now go find out at some point.
All right. Me could get to the point, Mrs. Campbell, because me can't afford for Omar to know. Remember, say, I'm a police. Remember, say, we have a child together. We've been married for quite some time. Me can't afford this. And even though, people have their little hiccups and stuff, I don't want him to know of us. Listen, Omar, We can't afford for a relationship break off just like that. Years of marriage and all, we can't afford for you to go down the drain. Why you want to stress me? Remember that I am... Don't manage.
I saw you did not go on.
What you mean?
So
me a go on? For what, Mrs. Campbell?
Hear what?
They're taking this for a joke?
Hear what? You see that little piece of iPhone here? I was what this? The 11? We need a 15. 15 Pro Max. Price just gone up.
All right. All right, Mrs. Campbell. Me have one iPhone 15 Pro Max. Me will give it to you. I will give you mine. If it's new, because me have it less than 3 months.
Right.
So me will give it to you, not a scratch it in a case and everything. You can change the case. Me will give it to you. I will wipe it and I will give it to you.
That is a good start.
Me will tell Omar say it last.
That is a good start. You see, me did always know me like you, you know. You always know me like you.
Mrs. Campbell, listen, please. You see, after me give her the phone, that's it. Nothing else. You promise?
You see,
Please.
that is a comfort to a fool, you know. But we'll start there. You have me silence for now. For now.
So you plan to bail on me?
We never say all of that, but me don't know what else you plan for up to. But, you know, from another female to the next, can't keep your secret for now. Just sort out the phone.
All right, Mrs. Campbell, I will bring it to you later.
That's what I want to hear.
All right, you'll be good now.
All right, Peanut. Let you look at stuff them now.
All right, Mrs. Campbell.
And take time with yourself now. You know it's a sensitive time for you. All right? Have a good evening.
All right, Mrs. Campbell. Girls, you came back. All right. So, okay. Kaylee, mommy not feeling well, okay? Aria, auntie not feeling well. All right, you guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
One foot was $200. He had the 3 proposals. Yeah. Got the big towel then now. The big towel then for $1,000. Yeah, man. 1 underpants for $500. You get 3 underpants now for $1,200. 3 underpants for $1,200. Yeah, man. You get the slippers then now for $1,500.
Yeah, boss. So,
make your first stop here. You see me? Boss a pass right there saying, boy, whole heap of stocks and butter and things. You see me? And all this a boss your money can't buy all. Buy it can't see.
Young father, I'm ready for your work, man.
Yo, don't bind it on me, dog.
Sorry.
You keep your finger off while you trigger can go off it.
Oh, really? So you say ready?
Yeah, man.
Step on your work. I don't care.
So, say, oh, you shut there, me tell you care if you cover your face, brother.
Shut me have it, man. I don't know if I put over my face. Alright, hold on. See, I want to put you over my face?
Yeah, man.
Alright, hold on. So I can't care when I do my food. I'm telling you,
no, we ain't no more in that stuff.
Can I eat that shot that time and put on, brother?
I say badness come down, man. Yeah, man.
Mars, man, if you have a say, I'm not upgrade it. What you try to say, I'm not upgrade it?
No, really, brother. But you know a thing going on, have a thing you have to do. You see me? Find something.
Yeah, for them have to.
The boss boy so forward, you know.
Where you say we are go? Where you say we are the phone? Ready? So hold on. Where you say me for them to kill him?
No, so we don't. You can hide off your son and leave you to boy.
I'm telling my father, man. No, I'm not feeling, man. I'm not feeling, man. No, what's the nice and good?
No, what's the
The boy are coming on the boss. Hey boy, stop the bus. Hey boy. Come out, time boss. Come out, time boss. Yeah, turn up. Come out, time boss.
Take out the seat there.
Turn up over here, man. I want to man. My body set up, man.
Yo, shoot you, man.
Take your bus and go on.
Yo,
You don't have
yo,
to kill me, yo.
like I
Take your
said.
bus and go on, man. Just hold the bus and go on, yo.
Shoot him.
Everything good, man. Just take your bus and go on, yo.
Yeah.
Nobody shoot me, yo. Save my life, man. Can't go live for me pitting them, yo. Sick. Take your bus and go on, man.
Hey.
No, yo, big man, nobody that, man.
Holy passion.
Nobody that, yo.
Shoot him.
Nobody that, yo.
Huh?
Better you just take your bus and go on. Please, I beg you, too. Take your bus and go on. May I ask you, please. Me even need long.
Yo.
May I beg you, do. I beg you,
Yo,
do.
get up off our ground, man.
That don't make sense, yo.
Get up
I
on-
beg you, please, take your bus and go on, that.
Hey,
Nobody shoot me, yo.
Get up off our ground, man.
No, me not make sense, yo. Better take your bus and
Where's
go
that to
on.
do?
Take your bus and go on, yo. Do. Just save, just spare my life, man.
Indeed.
No, what the boy did. No.
Yes, sir. Yo, indeed.
Hello?
Omar,
Hey, honey.
don't honey me. From you reach down, you not even call me. What happened?
Babe, I told me upon a little undercover mission, man. Me never get paid. I never have a phone for me because the super tell me say we can't carry phone for when we go on the mission car. So my boy them are informer and I go.
Really? So you not even call, you know, ask me about it, pick them, you know, ask me nothing.
Babes,
You don't know, so me worried.
I know you're worried, babe. I know you're worried. But what sweet car not going with?
Into there going easy.
She alright?
Yeah, man.
And tough crackers alright too?
Everybody good. But I just you are my problem, you not calling.
I'm sorry, baby. I show me busy, man. And you know how the police business go.
Okay, so when you come back?
I see if I can get some time off. I ask the super and see when I can get some time off.
Okay.
But don't worry yourself, man. I know you miss me, you know. I miss you too, you know, babes.
Okay, well, if you miss me, you don't call me, but you'll give the chance, yeah. But not do it again.
Alright, baby. You eat already?
Yeah.
Alright, no worry yourself. As soon as I get some time, man, I'll call you. Tell Sweet Corn and Tough Crackers say I love them, you hear?
I will.
Alright. Love you.
I love you too. All right. All right, later. Sweet corn! Tough crackers! I wanna come from? Oh, no, daddy said to tell her hi. You know, the on the phone, he come off when he call next time when we talk to him here.
Okay.
All right.
wonder if nothing else in there. No more money in there. I have to search up the good in the
check. Oh. Now next time I can, yo. Hey, little boy, go on, left one yourself.
Watch it.
Go on here, yeah.
I'm telling you, see your time to come here, move from yesterday, man.
Yo. Yes.
Listen now, bossy.
Well, a couple more sitting in there. But me I say, oh, next time I can move, so shaky punition in here, we get me killing and that, you see me? Yeah, if it does fire, but me understand, I say, boy, you see me? Me can't say nothing, you see me, it's your first time, you see? So, I say, you go on. But I say nothing, we have more work, see go up on, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Abu one dozen of them sit near me over come down deep.
Really, man, I want one. Yeah. You can't go and lock off this. Can't go and lock off it.
Yeah, man. You know about them thing you good to brother. You know, want to get and you go kill it. You go make it hurt, so you see.
And that's my brother have them thing, man. I always make me hold it, you know. And them thing, you see it? All fire, you see it? Actually, that man now hold for rounds, so. Yeah, man, that man now hold for rounds, man. I can get some rounds for them, said you.
Alright, well, nothing wrong with that.
That's good.
A good something that, man.
That's good, work
yeah, see, man,
we have to
get enough boy if you dash with it, you know, man. Yeah, see, man.
Alright, so the search up the bus and see if nothing else in it.
Yeah, man.
Hey. I'm not even sure. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Mommy, guess what?
What?
Ricardo and Skip get new bus.
How would they get bus from?
No. You see them with a new bus.
Alright, go on in there. I was not on the phone at all.
Alright.
No, Akeem, the country, Mr. Ricardo and Skip get new bus. Me, I wonder where them get it from. Cause me know say Skip a thief, you know, and the Ricardo, he ma follow him hard, you know. Massa.
Kelly! Come here! No police to pass me out there. You sure? I don't see nobody coming in from on the area. You sure? You go for that, then you get on and then go back. The mother said this is fun to have mission, believe or I used to get that's the night for revolution, my mother in today, but think. The my mother in the public. One, but I could have some accent, yeah.
Afternoon, Dave. How are you? Where's Kenny? Babe.
Siya. Huwag pa rin sa palo.
Sorry lang ako kasama.
Ang sa amin, huwag pa rin sa palo.
Lala ko lang. Consulted ako sa
Siya, Axel. Tell me sec. Tanisha sa palo.
Is Tanisha still?
Which Tanisha sa palo? At a pool here. Kasi ako man si palo siya.
Babe, actually it's Tanisha still. But some people call it Jolie.
Tanisha sa palo. Alright.
Even if it looked like a minesweeper, I don't know. I what if it's somebody, what if it's her minesweeper or something? She left it here.
Alright, Shauna. Alright. So I'll pull out here or something. Alright.
So, like, what's up with you? Yes, I'm going to pull out one here. I was going to sleep where I said get me your record first before I do anything else. So I may not breathe again or no.
You have something you want to tell me? Because I've been on about 1 week, about 3 days now since we done, and you've been act weird. Even your nose look fatter, and it changed.
Babe. Stop. Stop. What's going through your brain?
I don't know, something just seems off. Everything just seems off since we come back.
Do you have something that you want to tell me?
I mean, me not have nothing to hide. Me not have nothing to hide, Shauna. Me not have nothing to hide. My day at work is just straight work and so. Unlike say me have nothing to hide. But since me come down here, everything it just seems off.
Nothing is off. Now you're trying to put me in different mode. Why are you trying to do that, Omar? Nothing is off. I've always been myself.
Alright, man, I'll go put it.
Tell me about my nose. What are you trying to imply me?
Alright, Shauna. Anything you say? As I say, everything just seems off, but I'll go put it road.
It was a bit painful, so really.
Alright. I'll go put it road. I'll go to Baba. Also, Kelly in her room, she asleep. Or she probably in there or something. But I'll go to Baba and come back. Alright?
Yeah. How you feel?
Yeah, we're good, man.
Is there anything that you want to tell me?
Just feel away because last night I tried to touch you, and you never really want me to touch you. So that to me, make me head feel like say me I gonna lose it. You see me? Because imagine me not there for so long and come, I can't touch you. You find all sorts of excuse.
I'm not finding any excuse. The first night you came with Arnold, right? It's like I can still feel it. But I'm sorry. I won't give it up tonight.
Alright. Yeah, I'm handcuffed promise still enough. So I can't make it work. Alright.
You could say so.
But I go to Baba and come back. There?
Okay.
I can't look so. There?
Okay, babe.
As I say, I just feel a way about the slippers, man.
There's no need to feel any type of way. I'm not.
Because woman can be devious, you know, I tell you, you know.
No, but don't judge me, babe, please.
Alright.
I'm feeling some type of way to know that you are literally here trying to judge me. Are you implying that I'm cheating, or would you think that I have somebody come by here? I would never do such thing. I'm not cheating. I would never do that.
Well, if
you're getting me all serious.
well, if a Tanisha man suppose this, as I say, she not an ambition.
Babe, I didn't say it's Tanisha's man's slipper. I said I don't know, it could be. Maybe it's her brother's slippers. I don't know. She left it here. I really don't care about that slipper. I wasn't even thinking anything, but I mean, it's okay for you to think something funny. It's fine. It's okay. Because if I had come inside here and see a woman's slipper that doesn't belong to me, maybe I would go off. But
well, I'm glad I see where I come from. But I'll hurry up and come back. Yeah?
okay.
I'll hurry up and come back.
Okay, babe.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you too.
Mommy?
Okay, come here, babe.
Daddy were asking me something.
Daddy was asking you something?
Daddy were asking for slippers.
Daddy was asking whose slippers? So what did you tell him?
I don't know.
Okay, but those slippers are Tanisha's slippers. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if he asks you again, you tell him it's Tanisha's slipper. Mommy said it's Tanisha's slipper. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for telling me.
I'm sorry, but the person you have...
Answer the phone. I hate this. I hate this.
I'm sorry, but the person...
How that? Huckleberry? How that? Oh, go on, man. You remember your name, Huckleberry, man? From your little boy, that name they can't come on for you, no, man.
How do you?
Why?
Jonah.
The Junior
Big
there.
bro, you know.
The Kim.
You know there.
Kim not there. Long time, bro. Long time. Well,
man, put a hole for it, bro.
Man, you know, say I saw St. Thomas, you know.
I'll go out belly.
So you.
How do you?
Why am I there, man? Are you alone there? Uncle?
No, man.
Why am I there? Long time, I didn't see you.
Yeah, alright. Yeah.
Alright, so you have food for your mouth, there, man.
Hold on, I'm going to call. I'll call her.
Yeah, I'm drinking water there. Leroy!
Where
Leroy, what going, man? Why, Leroy, like you still have me up, man?
Yo, yeah, big old police in our force, man, look like a cheap boy, man. I'm really blurred,
You don't say, I leave me up on boy. Man.
What you want, man?
So you're going in?
But yeah, man. But yo, so some of them say when they're in our force, they have to shave up on them things.
That's why I come down, man, because I don't know. I dip on a little break. I do up there somewhere. You see me? I stress out a little bit.
You? Real?
So, man, I want to go barber, man. I want to go barber in a bit. But I tried to come down last night and I say, a long time, I don't see you still, so I come give you a link.
True.
Because from Auntie David, they drop out from the time.
Yeah.
I think it's very bad. If we say only time we see each other is when somebody dead.
True, man.
That's no, man, we need to do better.
Yeah.
I say when I come down now, I can look for me family them.
But me love, watch out now, big man thing. Yo, I'm glad to say when I post still in the youth. Because if I go in the force, nobody knows me to be here.
Alright, think that man, can listen to me.
You see all the bar on the soul and it's broken. Nobody no broken it again, no brother.
This is right, man. Because I'm not afraid to come to the boy and everything there, you know, man. I'm not afraid, you know.
That's cool, man.
Oh.
Some of them give that name then. One a day.
Why they call one a day?
Yeah.
She didn't even know. Yeah, but me out there say every day, I clap one in, man. I say, I just come out of phone, out of camp.
Still peace, I know.
Every day.
I just confirmation with you and still car. One of my know say, yo, bro, your brother no play.
No, my brother.
So, yo, you can't get a whole lot of fight.
What idea then, man, make you hold it, man. But I know your time.
I'm before you back up still, my brother. Do me a bigger one.
No, man, don't worry yourself, man.
Get a one whole lot of fight, man. Is it?
I'm going to come in, man. I don't want you to get involved in a feel or you feel. Because at the end of the day, I don't want you
no, man, but
feel like say you feel good and you get caught. You see them saying that. Because, you know, man. Sometimes I look at police close save me.
But you know what's happening now, I do nothing bad. Still, you see it. Just get a whole lot of fight and you see it. Better more it.
No worries, I can't even bust one out tight, man. Simple, man.
Yeah,
because at the end of the day, man, if any boy, make sure you have a license one runner, so any boy feel like he can run in,
yeah, man.
More to do.
But if you say them give me it, because I remember saying I don't really have no big work like them things like that, you know, you see it.
No, man, I must say, I'm a sergeant, man. I can give a full recommendation, you know, plus me have a suit. We know what to do, man. Don't worry yourself. Isn't it?
See, because what I tell Fudgy them what they say. Thank you, link me, you know. Because tomorrow they want a work, you see it. Don't want to hotel them and niggle. And them don't have nobody to give them. Like, them need a recommendation, you see it. So I tell them, send to check me and link you. And I tell them, say, yo.
That Miss Janet Omar?
Yes. Oh.
What's the animal with the same name?
Yeah, man. Remember I said, me and them go to school together different, you see it. So me can recommend them. You see it. So you see it. I good use still.
No worry yourself.
Get to work still, you see it.
No worry yourself, you see me?
Cool.
But no, too story, you know, because
yeah.
I have a little mission left to go on.
You want to buy one bike?
Buy one bike?
I'm sure you.
Alright, that good man. Yo, watch out, man. The foolishness in the bike, you know.
I take my time, right, brother. No, you know, man. You see it?
I'm telling you, me a police so not like funeral, you know. Me even like
I'm not right, man. You see it? I don't know if I progress. Yes, man. We can't stay one place in our life, you know. See it? Yeah, man.
Achia, I say, you this?
250 pay fee.
Yo, watch out, man. At least I start from somewhere.
Yeah, man. I know say you're proud of me, man.
At least I start from somewhere, man. Watch out, man. Clean, you know, man.
Nothing but I take out the man fight it, brother, because I don't know. See it?
Yeah, man. Clean, man.
Yeah,
Like that.
to dirty up, brother.
Proud of you, man.
Yeah, man. Where's that? Jonah, you clean it down for me when I'm done?
Yes, man.
All right. Every day I clean
Junior get big, you know, man. Junior Lily boy.
Yeah, man, I'm a G, man, for early up.
Yeah, but now you say, man, I go pass through back before I go in.
Big up, man.
Yeah.
So, mama know what's there?
I go surprise her, man. I show me if I can something from here.
Oh.
Surprise her, yeah.
All right.
But not tell her something today.
Yeah, man.
I'll surprise her.
All right, brother.
Yeah, look at more, yeah.
Machine nice, though.
Right now, all car this about change one change it.
I'm telling you, man.
Change one change.
Banging, man. No matter wrong, man. One of them more next, you know. Yeah. So you say when I done your deal there? Yeah, man.
Wagwan, Willow. Forward now. Are you me a link for now?
Like me, yo. Well, I'm going to give me a forward. So you say I go on no more?
Alright, so basically me have a job for you. Alright, so you know Ricardo from Upper Rooms right up this way. You know they have a restaurant right underneath the big tree.
Oh yeah.
Right out I swear.
Yeah man.
Alright, so this is how more I have for the for me. See? Me need you for kidnapping.
I'm kidnap him.
Me need you and your boys, me don't know how you are gonna do it, but me just want you to kidnap him and Yo, me just me yo.
Hold on. You know, say it all cause, you know, cause
Don't worry
so if you
about
kidnap him, I don't want little easy, little 1, 2, 3, you know. You understand?
Don't worry about that, Willow. My man Omar. You know, say him no normal.
Yeah, I know, say him a police.
Him we deal with the ransom. Don't worry yourself.
Say him we deal with it.
I tell you. Just listen. My call a shots. Just tell me where it costs, and it's done.
All right. So you are one. Just line up Mr. Cheese. See? Just line up on decent piece of food like you know.
You can't tell me, man, know yourself. Money is no issue.
All right. So you me go do. So I'm gonna make a link and call for me to ask them. See? And then we touch base again.
As soon as possible.
But take me number, man.
Even this evening.
Yeah, your phone by you.
You can give me.
All right, you know, if you don't have a number, just give me a feel.
Just ring my phone.
All right, put in a number. All right, so me call us in?
Yeah.
All right.
I just do the doing it, you see me, as soon as possible, even tonight.
All right.
Tonight, tomorrow, just make it done as soon as possible.
All right.
Remember now, make it done as soon as possible. Big up yourself.
Careful. Don't run out there. Wait for them, mommy. Huh?
May I go down there?
But it's deep over there, too.
Not the deep part, the other side.
Oh, all the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go over there then. Or you don't? You want to go? We can go in the middle here. It's more shallow over there.
Okay.
Right? Oh gosh, it's only a pity when I get to care early. Our father come here early this morning.
I should I love you now.
Right, we could go over there now. Oh. Oh. Watch your step.
She love the water.
Here so good. First me I see the water so low.
So low, yeah. Yes, mommy.
Okay, sure. Don't go too far.
Girl, I'm happy that you're here with me. You know, it's really good to have a friend like you. At least Uncle Terry has passed, and you know you're here to support me because you know he was my very favorite uncle, and it's going to be a rough day tomorrow. It's really going to be a rough day. So at least we're here. You know, tonight is the big dead yard stuff.
Girl, of
You know,
course,
it's-
you know. Terry and my uncle too. We used to carry we go to school. So you know, me after the year, this are the least, you understand me? But I'm still can't believe in gone though. So sad.
It's really sad. You know what's even really extremely sad? The fact that somebody literally took him out, you know. If it's a case where he was sick and all, it would be, you know, but to know that somebody took him out, like, it's really sad. But you know, life goes on, and trust me, there is a God.
Mm-hmm.
There is
I'm here for you. You know, Mega always there, I pray with you and say, you know.
I appreciate that, Tanisha.
Yes, girl.
And despite all that's going on, I mean, you know, at least Omar, as he said, he's got so much errands to do, so he's there at the house. God knows what he's doing, but I mean, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He can cook, he can do whatever, you know.
Help himself.
Exactly so. He probably show up tonight at the
wake, right?
the wake, yeah. I don't know. But let's see. All right, Kelly. You all right? Swim to me.
Yes, Tanisha.
Say alright.
Listen, when is Shana from Boston?
Oh, no worry about that, man. She'll come back by Friday.
So that means you mean I get to see this weekend.
I'll try. I'll try, man. Even Saturday evening can come up here. Here?
Okay, awesome.
Don't worry yourself. I want some fresh air. Kind of sit the balcony yet.
The man text my boy Chester Jaw wait for buy me.
Chester Jaw?
So it's already.
Oh,
I'm gonna need the money by next week.
Alright, no problem. No problem. That one that look nice too, you know. You think you
on the bed here too?
You could get the one that we make can hold on fun. You see the Chester Jaw? Make sure you say you have a place that I can put my gun in it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. Come here, I'll show you something. Alright, see up here, son? I'm started. See the moon? Beautiful.
I thought you were going to bring Aria. She got a reason for us for the game. Oh, well. So, show me stressing off. Oh my God. First thing, who's the game? You strongly asked about if you do this. She's alright though, he's alright, I don't know. I'm saying she because her hormone process, I mean, girl, it is. But the baby's okay. Just so you know. Alright, so I'm on phone, but something happened. The car was here. And you know, we were discussing about Australia. I'm not talking about the way we like, the one we decided that, okay, then we're going to give you the but not leave the money. Okay. Which is awesome, which is, you know, what I wanted. Now, while we were here, talking, and suddenly I was like, you know, I heard a little noise, I think, in one of the doorstairs. It was on. Same couldn't get you, man?
Tanisha, I was so shocked. Inflection? No, I can laugh because he did not. And then video preview. I never know Ricardo was, I don't know, but what you call the type of sports? Like, he's a fly man. Omar flashed, Ricardo flashed through the door, climbed the rail. Oh, what I say? Told Stevens, girl, what I say? Look at this, bro. Well, that's a hard point. Mrs. Williams from a plastic right garden. I know she knows that no. Tanisha, I'm in some deep stuff right now. You came by talking about how she wants to, like, she coming off like she wants to blackmail me, like she wants to go to the war. Yes. And she even said I have to give her something, you know. So she wanted me for another one. So I was like, okay, baby. I'm going to give her my phone. I gave her my phone. And I gave her the phone and I had to tell her, oh my, that my phone got lost. But she was okay, how she went lost. I'm hoping because if she ever does, as a matter of fact, I'm thinking something. But let me get that stay for now. Let me, I'm not even going to say my last word for now, but let that stay for now. So anyways, Omar, when Omar was coming here, you know, we were watching him from downstairs. And then I saw Ricardo fresh through here, go on back. Straight, like I didn't even get climbed down off of the veranda, but downstairs. I was like, this man, like, but anyways, I'm happy he did because I did not want Omar to know. No problem, that's another one. And just want to top it off. He ran the police at 7. Tomorrow is me. Oh, thank God. Thank God, girl. I'm like, oh my God. Then, let's listen to this. Yes, of course. And then to tell the man? Yes, of course. Oh my gosh. Even once I say, but Tanisha said a big stuff. It could be somebody. Exactly. I don't know, but I know it's right. You can't. So basically, you're registered as come exactly. And she is exactly, girl. You can't beat that. I'm like, but you know, I'm just happy that Omar didn't not see Ricardo because if you did. That would have been an awful thing. And then did that Omar spirit like, I haven't been calling your pocket and I'm not getting to you know? And he goes on that, yes. I haven't seen him. You know, even by the restaurant, I went to one restaurant and he's not there, like, that's strange. I haven't seen him. He's not getting to the house. I don't have a phone. From those one, I call him multiple times. It's true, multiple times. And no response. So, I don't know. But anyways, I have a plan and I know that it's a master plan, so I'm going to ensure that I execute that plan. And all people, myself, and my family who will all trust. It's just another workout too. I just feel, that everything I know is coming back together. It will, trust me, it will. With all of this, I just want to I just want everything to be fun. I don't want. I want. You know what I'm thinking to where we're just going to one of these days, probably Sunday. We can just bring the kids and take them to go ride the one as I see sure as Smarties from their Smarties film. Okay, you can bring them to Infinity. Anyway, once ice cream was here, but also Ari, I go crazy on them. Likewise, Terry, one of the ice cream. So yes, so then what's ice cream today? Or we can bring them to Rico, whichever one you decide that. Anyone, so yeah. I know it's going to work with the plan that I have. It's a master plan, especially here. Medical engineer, so we know everything will work out. Yes, so. Oh, when I got them, you can watch it, but you know, always have food and we'll finish here over here and something this side. Ricardo!
Hello? Hey, what's wrong?
Shana! What want you? Eh? What want you, Shana? Shana, talk to me now. What is this? Eh? Shana, what is this?
Ma'am, I have something to tell you.
listening.
Please forgive me.
Shauna, what do you mean forgive me? What?
Please forgive me.
Sit up and talk to me. Want you?
Your brother Ricardo broke into the house. He beat me up because I told him that I was going to tell you.
Wait, hold on. Shauna, what you asked to me? My brother?
I didn't know it was your brother because you never introduced us. You never told me you had him as a brother. I never knew anything about you both as a brother.
Shauna, I'm confused. What do you mean? Talk to me.
Babe, one day I was driving down the road with Kelly. And I stopped at the shop to buy something, and when I went into the shop, I saw a picture of you and the guy on the wall, and I asked, how do they get your photo and why they have your photo up in the shop?
Which shop? Which part of the shop there?
It was a shop in the other community. Up by where they have the ATV tours.
Up a Rowan River?
Yes, the Rowan River. No. I asked the guy, why do you have Omar's photo in the shop? And he was like, wait, you know my brother? I was like, that's your brother? And he said, yes.
So how we reach to this? How we reach here, so Shauna?
I don't know, but I said to him, that's not your brother. And I was like, there's no way you should have his picture hung up in a shop. Why would you have it hung up in a shop? And then I left with Kelly and I came home. Now while I was driving home, I saw a vehicle was trailing me.
A vehicle?
Yes, was trailing me, but then the vehicle drove past. After the vehicle drove past, I saw your brother riding on a bicycle. I came in. After I came in, right after I was closing the door,
Shauna, listen, what do you mean? Talk to me, no, man.
As I was closing the door, he called out to me, but then I closed the door and come inside. I left the front door open, right? And I put Haley to sleep, and I was laid down right here. And while I was here, dozing off, I just felt a hand over my mouth. When I opened my eyes, it was your brother. And he took disadvantage of me.
This doesn't sound like my brother.
But then,
What do you mean took disadvantage of you, Shauna?
he took disadvantage of me. And he said, listen. He took out a gun and he said, listen, if you ever tell him about this experience, he's going to kill me. And he's going to kill my pitney. And I must remember that my brother is always not around.
Hold on, Shauna. Hold on. Me I want.
Babe, I was afraid to tell you.
Shauna, hold on there. Hold on. This a person, yeah? So in the eyes of Shauna?
When he came here today, he beat me up. And he said I shouldn't tell you, and I should know that my brother don't want me. And he's the one who should have a family. And if I think my brother wants me.
So Shauna, say uncle bud?
Yes, he sliced it because when he was hitting me, I held my hand up to block it, but then he sliced me.
So honey, what? Alright, baby, hush. I'll get to the bottom of this, here. I'll get to the bottom of this.
He said, you don't want me. He repeated it while he was beating me. He said, can't let people brother want you.
Him tell you that?
Yes, he said that, and he said, yeah. He said that if I want that family in St. Florence.
A liar tell Shauna, what happened?
He showed me the pictures.
Shauna, you know, say a long time, me know, say, my little brother bad mind me. You know? Because what kind of lie that you tell about me have family or something?
I have no more water left in me.
Shauna, look at. Stop it crying. Here? Stop it crying. Me not... Alright, my soul come here. Here, Shauna? So come on, don't worry yourself, man. So come. Just. Hold this up. Hold this just in case he come back. I go look for him here. Shauna, just stop it crying, man.
Hey, Omar, anyway up there right now. We don't have to do real fast, please. Omar, the anyway up there right now, please. Don't have to fast. Yes, anyway up there now. Yes, all right.
Ricardo! Uncle, that's Ricardo.
No, sir. Me not see boy for mine, man. Me been gone crossway, what's up?
Which part?
What's up by bush?
Uncle, you don't know what I said? I worked me there a while ago. A woman called me a ball. When we come home and see her, all her face bruised up. Yeah, and her eye thump out and something.
Ricardo do that?
She tell me say Ricardo do it.
Why?
Eh?
He's a puzzle me. Ricardo not so bad to that, man.
No, but what me I say? No trouble you want me to put myself in a...
Right away.
Gosh, I check my family. Even though I'm a brother still.
Yes, you agree, man. You agree. Ricardo have to go drip up. We have very grateful moment.
Where's saying gone? Which way is saying gone?
In Ghana, over Paris, say, we bought him a tie code over Riverside.
Alright, no worries, sir. No tell me, say, nobody tell me, say, me come here, you know.
No, me not. What do you, man? Me big on that, man.
Alright, me so come.
Powerful.
Yo, my G.
Yes.
Boy gone nice shop, you know.
Because I bought the way using it, easy if you walk me now.
Alright, so anytime you say we grab him, me knock your bus.
Yeah, man.
Ready,
Make
you
sure I
know.
bought the way using.
Alright, yeah, man. Yo, Blacks. Put on the mask already, you know.
Alright, you do it.
Yo, see my coming in. No, don't make easy to have on the mask. Yo, grab him.
Yo, what is? Oh, man, yo, wrong, man. Relax, yo, what on, man? Open that door, shut up. Go, wrong, man. Open that door, go on. Go. Wrong, man, yo.
Yo, relax yourself, you know, man.
Yeah, what I know? Rick, my name, you know, Rick. A wrong man, you know, believe me, man.
Face, you know.
Believe me, brother. A wrong man, you know, believe me.
Yo, you don't know what you do? You don't know what you do?
What me do?
Alright, you'll find out, you know. Yo, Blacks.
Oh.
Yo, take out the phone and call the big man.
Big good, brother.
No, we dash him right. No, man, call the big man and make you know so we have him.
We are good, man.
Alright, relax yourself.
Yeah.
Where you going, man? Why not there? Yo, John was star. Yo, where you going, man? Hey, You know, say, there's a report I come make a while ago. I pass through, man. Boy, see me here. I just come and work in a youth. Yeah, man, look at it. Glad to see you, man. But, boy, I tell you. You know, say, I just come from a station. I'm going to make a report because, me see, then just kidnapped me, my brother.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Now what you said to me?
But me I tell them, say, and they not to give me no good vibes in there as a fellow policeman. You get me? I say,
a man like you, where everybody know, one a day.
So me I tell them, man,
yo, we for squad 4. How are they, man? They don't know who you. No, man, I have to give them a talk in the man.
Talk to you, little idiot woman.
Yo! So what you say happen now?
But yo, as me I say now, I be a new face in there, I'm not too trust them, you know. What I look is somebody was serious, I'm glad to see you.
Yeah, man, you know, say me hear about you, you know. One of them must say name, you know, must be a reason, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, say hear about me too still. No. Respect, man, because we come from way back.
Party leg, man.
See that, man? Yeah, man, the party leg, you know.
But on a serious level, though, me need to find out who kidnapped my brother. As I say, your division thing, as I say, most know he hoodlums them about the place or what go on or something. But if you know any information about what go on,
just man. Just lay down and just tell me everything what go on or something. You don't know, say me a man on the street too. Alright, any little info you want, you don't know you go.
So basically, me don't go for a leaf, you see me? And today I'm a pass from the baby mother, the woman. So she tell me, say, my brother, cut her from the hand. You see me, I say?
Yo, brother, cut your baby mother.
Yeah.
On her hand.
So if me say me I go look for you discipline him. You understand? But he never there yard. So me say, me I look around the place. Look around. There's a white truck. A Benz, one of them Benz Sprinter truck there.
Yeah.
One of them me see like them put him in. You understand?
So you didn't get no, you not really look on the plate still, but.
No, me never get to see the plate. The beats all shut off of them, man.
For real?
Yeah, man, but
how me never get that?
The beats all shut off of them, man. You see me? What else me I say? Any information I get about him?
No, man, you're our dear, man. You're going to win a youth.
I'm going to need a partner, man. As me I say, I can't trust them people in the station, there, brother.
Virgin, me say me and you come from squad 4. Now squad 4, me tell you. And we back. Don't worry yourself, man. Me have your back, man.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself. I go in and refresh myself.
Yeah.
I say, I'm exhausted.
Why you dress me? You look like I want judge to write it. Why like he ranks up, man?
No, man, a court me I come from, man. Court me, I got a court to them, man. But they have a little case down in court also.
Okay.
So they come down for two. You understand? So they down for a while.
It's a pleasure to see you, man. Long time, you know.
Yourself, man.
We back. Don't worry yourself, man. Just link me.
Yeah, man, but watch you know. Give me a number. Because, as I say, we done for a while.
Man, don't worry yourself. Man, how are you, man?
Yeah, man, just show up, man. Let me show it.
Let me see it as. You don't know me already?
Yeah.
Leg. Party leg.
Alright. Yo, respect, you know. Yo, be safe here.
Virgin, you say me have your back, man. You have one of them, man. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, just look out here, yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool, boss.